Kaseng new trip Achik National Movement HANM Keladawan gi Borsokrap gi ber penstem de betang ya gi beri Donkti ban Pyniap biau diseng sangma budai udkot sang balang urung aiktin ke HANM ujuan sangma harangkat kena derlang upsdan uba alam perang karbani mentak sengi ka kasan terik kelangkot ja penriu ya pendem juru ya jinglek dusman beriu haruk ban simi ke jing im jong dilseng ulang bau diseng wasya Pyniap nama bau Leit hak sinong kelkaun ban Tohkit ban Pei yak Jingtih mau Beain hak kata jaka na kaleng kahan ka Dawa bani ban Tohkit ni bat sistem kat kum ka an yak ibron keti hak kata
National
kam ban
Movement
sim yak
Central
jing im
Body.
jong dilseng.
Friends, we all know what happened in last 9th of January this month 2026. Mr. Dilsing M. Sama, he lost his life because he went to Golgaon village just to investigate to see the illegal stone quarries going on in that area. And after that, when they are coming back from their spot, that village, that's some unknown person was waited in the roadside and they attack to the entire groups. Some of them they have run and they saved their life, and few of them cannot run from that spot. Due to that accident, that Mr. Dilsing M. Sama he lost his life. Today we condemn this accident and those who have involved in these crimes. We demand that state government must punish according to law and brought to them in the and give Dilsing M. Sama the justice. So we on behalf of HNM New Tribe Achik National Movement Central Body, we strongly and unequivocally condemn the brutal killings of late Dilsing M. Sama, a respected NGO leaders who was murdered by unknown person. This heinous and inhuman act has shocked our consciences and is a grave attack on the values of humanity, peace and social justice. Late Dilsing M. Sama was a committed social worker who dedicated his life to the welfare of the peoples and upliftment of society. His untimely and violent death is an irreparable loss not only to his family and organization but also to the entire community. We extend our heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family and express our solidarity with all those mourning this tragic loss. We urge the concerned authority to conduct a thorough and impactful investigation and ensure that the perpetrators are identified and brought to justice. At the earliest, such act of violence must not be tolerated under any circumstance. May the departed soul of Sri Dilsing M. Sama rest his internal peace, and may God give strength to family members to bear this incredible loss. So with this,
spokesperson yang ke HNMCC lah berfaham dah nak faisi nak lihat juga HNMCC dah kecil Sofia ni ajemut soka pada bangsa no di ain bukan nama omrei tang menhak kakendai trik ya kajing siapa ni apa pun semua pokoknya umrei hari ini naik sudah punya ini siapa ni apa tuai parok personam bukai te portut kan. Entah ni bisnes ngelada pro kecil siapa ni apa di kenarik te po norak te kumka seng kaba sokhya pro sokhe pram ni ne kijingja ne nawi ni jungi ni ajimot pungin tui ka sokar ni bele akhanta the police department ba kide ban sna no yagi an ki baklan ban ta kandon ya kine gi non Pyniap pro ba ni tujia ja barbor ka kaneka jai penriu ka jela juni namangilong jai penriu ba rit pai ka jela ka ba rit lada ka an ka telot kemudian penslur nak penslur susu ya di riu transnam bat kenang ya ja susu kejing Shah Pyniap hal negeri itu Israel bang idon rak sokar pasnai di an beklan kemudian ba kiru transnam bat kinong Pyniap apa berkat asen suapun sim dengan kejing jong ubrelo ni kebrelo tekum kaseng bun kasuk pada iya pembini tinja ladai syak hasil ladai syak kawhil namar ba kum kajat penriu ke ba dangrit bat kum kejela perit tengi kwa ba bantela kami di ting Shah Pyniap pak kakak jong ki nong di ba itu kejela belia ladai ke por ba sokar megelia ba hak pansna no ki an ki klan ki an di ba perkhidmat bat kideru ban kem bat Pynsaja dapat Tyngeh kenang ba kumni ke ba pensir ba jujia na pos ke por kinom jesu nang is kemat ha ne ko ni ke be ya
Jingtih